2025 Garden Trends, stylish small garden ideas and modern designs for elegant outdoor retreats. Welcome to the exciting world of 2025 Garden Trends, where your outdoor space can transform to a stylish retreat filled with beauty and tranquility. Whether you're dealing with a small garden or seeking modern garden designs, you'll find this guide packed with stunning ideas designed to elevate any outdoor space with elegance and charm. Dive deep into the latest trends in urban gardening and contemporary landscaping as you explore how minimalist gardens can be both beautiful and sustainable. By embracing eco-friendly gardening techniques, you can create a lush oasis that not only looks fantastic, but also honors the planet. Starting with small spaces, our focus is on making the most of every inch. From clever patio styling tips to innovative vertical gardening, you'll discover how to utilize various techniques to create a cozy garden nook. Imagine blending lush greenery with eco-friendly elements to achieve a breathtaking look that feels both natural and nurturing. Whether you're embarking on a full backyard makeover or making small tweaks, our expert tips will help you envision compact garden solutions that maximize functionality without sacrificing style. Be inspired by the fascinating world of biophilic design, which seamlessly integrates nature into your living spaces. Envision a realm where stylish outdoor living meets innovative landscaping as you explore chic garden furniture, outdoor seating ideas, and pergola concepts. These elements not only add a modern touch, but also create an inviting atmosphere, perfect for relaxation and entertainment. Whether your goal is to craft a modern outdoor decor setup or design a serene backyard retreat, embracing these garden aesthetics will instill a sense of peace and sophistication in your home. Incorporating climate-friendly gardens into your plans opens up a realm of possibilities, from DIY projects to practical solutions like container gardening, versatile flower beds, and captivating water features. Delve into nature-inspired spaces with smart gardening techniques that make it easier to maintain a stunning, sustainable garden. Whether you're creating a meditative Zen garden, a vibrant balcony garden, or pursuing a comprehensive home garden transformation, this guide offers everything you need to turn your vision into reality. For those who cherish the idea of a luxurious garden escape, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to receive more inspirational garden ideas and expert landscaping tips. Together, we can create outdoor spaces that are not just beautiful, but also eco-conscious, reflecting the very essence of modern garden living. So let's embark on this journey of design and discovery, turning your garden dreams into a stunning, stylish, and sustainable reality.